Mom, Dad, we got our test results today.
Really show us quickly. Come here, girls.
You worked very hard for this result.
Thank you, Mom. I studied every night.
We're so proud of you, Emma.
My turn to show you. Dad, I also got my result.
Good, Sophia, let us see. You got only 72 marks this time.
That percentage is low, Sophia, but it is okay.
Work a little harder next time.
Practice more and you will improve.
Okay, I will try again.
Emma, come here. We have a surprise for you.
Papa, really? This surprise is for me? Wow, new headphones, thank you so much.
These will help your studies.
These headphones are amazing. I can listen to my English learning lectures. Yes, they are really very nice.
I am happy for her, but a little sad. No one gave me a gift.
Emma, can I use them for 1 minute? Sorry, Sophia, these are mine.
I worked hard for them. If you want nice things, get higher marks too.
Oh, okay.
We need rice, fruit, and bread today.
Stay close, girls.
These apples look fresh.
Yes, take a few.
Mom, look at that old poor woman.
She looks hungry.
We are getting late. Let us go. We still have many things to do. Grandma, please take this money.
Thank you, dear child. May you live long. May God bless you, dear child. May you always stay happy.
You are welcome.
Did you see what happened?
Yes, I saw everything.
It is okay, Emma. Next time we can help together.
Sophia, we also have a special gift for you.
Really? For me? Thank you so much.
Because kindness deserves reward too.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
You can use my headphones anytime. And you can use my watch too.
Good marks are important, but kindness is more important.
If you like this story, please like our channel and subscribe for more videos.